The NFP is set to be released this Friday, and analysts are already saying the dollar is likely to fall short, and people are asking questions. But in today's video, we'll be showing you guys exactly what we think, our own prediction for the NFP, and of course pointing out some key levels where you can start expecting price to react from on the chart. So if you're set already, let's head down into the video. Now, we notice a lot of you guys watch our videos but you're not subscribed. Guys, we need you to subscribe. We need this channel to grow so the algorithm can help push this channel to more people who want to see stuff like this. You know how we do it. We're all about growth and meaningful information that would help Forex traders. Enough of the ranting, let's head down into the video. Now, the NFP is an acronym for non-farm payroll. It is a major economic indicator that tells you whether or not the economy is healthy. Now, the NFP is published by the Bureau of Statistics. The NFP tells you the number of jobs that was added in the economy for the previous month. Now, in the month of March, the news came out and it was expected that 60,000 jobs will be added in the economy. Guess what? The news came out and it was over 170,000 jobs added in the US economy, and it was beautiful for the dollar. We could see how the dollar was just up there in the roof and every other peer was like a dwarf beside it, and it was beautiful. But something else is happening right now. Analysts are saying they expect just 49,000 jobs. I mean, way lesser than the 60,000 jobs they predicted in the month of March. Well, I think the analysts believe the economy isn't doing well like it should do, so the expectation is kind of lowered. But what would happen if this news should come out lower than expected? Well, expect the worst for the dollar, but we ain't about that. Let's tell you exactly what we think moving forward. Well, it is a combination of the happenings around the world, because personally I believe some of these economic events aren't just isolated with geopolitics. No, they are related. So let's start with the war in Iran. Now, since this war, we could see tension around the world. A choke point gauge over 20% of the world's trade go through in terms of oil was just shut down and people were stranded. The price of oil went to an all-time high, but the question is, did this really affected everybody like the way everybody else felt it? Some people were gaining. Now let's talk about this. The war broke out and a lot happened. There was just this uncertainty in the market and traders went into the panic mode. And guess what? In times like this, they just go seek for safe haven and put their money into there. It's about taking money from one place and putting it in another place. Well, guess what? The dollar was the safe haven they found, and the dollar did beautifully well. Even when the countries of the world were saying, hey, this, that, the dollar was performing well. And it is just so beautiful. And another thing, prior before the war, we heard about the fact that President Emmanuel Maduro of Venezuela was captured. This was crazy, guys. This guy was taken out of his own home by the special forces in the United States, and because of that, a new president was sworn into power, and immediately a deal was struck between the United States and this new president, giving the United States control over the Venezuelan oil. And since this war, they've been selling oil massively, and this has created more jobs. And even now that the war isn't having a clear future yet, it is just the same thing. More sales of oil. You know how it is. I always say this: demand and supply. There is more demand for oil but less supply, and those who have it to supply, they make more gain, and this is why the dollar is just doing beautifully well. The question is, what do I think coming forward with this NFP? I believe the NFP would come out stronger. I believe it will be more than expected. Probably 80,000 jobs added, or maybe 100,000 jobs added for the month of April. And of course, we'll be showing you exactly how this shows up on the chart. So let's go. Alright guys, so we're on the GBP USD chart, and right now let's just draw out some key levels where we expect price to react from moving forward into Friday. So right now you could see price already reacted from this area right here. This serves as a strong resistance. Then price broke out. You can see price broke out and fell back down, giving us our next reaction from here. And just like we said, you could see a shoulder, the first shoulder, the head, and the next shoulder, right? Now, it isn't about just trading patterns alone, it's about fundamentals. Now, the war also gave a push for the dollar, made every other pair sell, and it is just so beautiful how we caused that move in time. Now, you can go see our videos to see how we predicted the whole stuff from all of this, and it happened the same way. Now, on Friday, we're expecting the same thing, a further push to the sell side for GBP USD. Now, you could ask me, where are we headed? Now, we are headed to this zone right here, right here. Let me draw it out. Now, this is where we're expecting price to hit for the month or moving into a new month, right? But then, we won't just be trading straight down like that. No, we'll take this zone by zone. The next area we're looking at is this zone right here, right? So on this, this coming week, we expect price to at least give us this whole move to this area first. Now let's check the pips value for that. Okay. So you can see the pips value for this is about over 260 pips. It is just huge, guys. It is so very much huge and juicy, man. It is something we're expecting for the week, and it starts from Friday. And I know we could see some reactions. I know how price could behave sometimes, but it is what it is. You could expect stuff like this: a push down, a push up, and people are kind of skeptic around it, what's gonna happen. But then it push down, it's just gonna sell. So that's what we're expecting for GBP USD, over 200 pips moving into the new week from Friday. Okay, let's check for Euro USD. Now for Euro USD, it's the same thing. No stress, no hassle, and I already did this beforehand. You can see a reaction right here, the shoulder, the head, and the next shoulder, right? You can see that. Now let's put this to be a bit clearer. You can see price already reacting. So going forward into the new week from Friday, expect a push with over 200 pips for the first target before we head down to the next target. Let's see what the next target gives us. Guys, this is over 400 pips. A juicy one. We just want to make profit, and that's what we'll get moving forward. Alright guys, this is where we come to the end of today's video. My name remains with FX, and you know how we do it. We just want to give you information that helps you trade the Forex market better so you don't get left behind. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do that right away. Subscribe, click on the notification bell, like the video, comment. We want to hear from you, and also share. See you in the next one. Bye for now.